the next piece I'm going to make is going to go up in here. What I may do is wind up putting another clamp on this line after I finish that. I think I may have to move this line out of the fender a little bit more than it was. Or maybe not, but it's going to be easier to bend this new line than it is to bend that old line. This new line is much more flexible, and I can set it up on the bench there. So I'm going to go ahead and set up one end of that now. And before I set up the other end, I'll make sure I got my curves just right. Okay, so now I've got my flare there. I didn't slip this nipple on beforehand because I'm going to be cutting this back here, and then I can slide the nipple onto it. But I have to decide how far back to cut this. I've got a little bit of extra to play with, so I can afford to like snip it and go up under the fender and then see how much I think I'm going to need and then cut it again. But I don't want to do that before I'm sure, because I may wind up putting a curl in it to get it to go where I want it to go successfully. So I might need to make sure I have plenty. I'm probably going to cut it kind of way back here. I may have to straighten it too. The nice thing about this kind of brake line is that it's really easy to bend and it doesn't kink up. It doesn't collapse. You used to have to use there's a little turn thing that you'd have to put in to turn this around to keep that line from collapsing when you would bend it. A little special tool for that. You don't really have to use that so much with this new line. I may have to straighten this to get my nipple on there. But it's going to go on kind of like this right here. Straighten it a little bit and get it on there. See, it's going to come up into there like that. Now, I'm going to take a quick look up under the fender again. So what's going to need to happen here. Oops, lost my light. It usually means I wiggled the plug in. So what I'm going to need to do is kind of create whatever it takes to get from here to there with the least amount of problem. I might do just come right around like this. I may leave a lot of this curl so that I have plenty to get me back to where I want to go. That way this end can come around into that, and then I can push this all up into here and put something there to hold that. I'd rather have a little too much than a little bit too little. It's really easy to do.